Hey everyone, I'm back with another quick haul. So this is the second part of my grocery trip. So this is two separate transactions at Real Canadian, sorry, three transactions at Real Canadian, and then one transaction at Rexall. So we will start here with the Cavendish. So they are $3 at Real Canadian right now, but I price matched them to $1.97 at Giant Tiger. And then there is coupons that you can find in store, and it's $1.50 off when you purchase two. So they end up being 47 cents each, and we really love these for breakfast. These are just great to stock up in your freezer. We had no more anymore, so it was perfect. The eggs here, so these are originally six something a Real Canadian, and I price matched them to $2.99 at Shoppers Drug Mart, and then there's $1 offer on cattle, plus 25 cents on Eclipsa. So that's $1.99 after cattle, and then 25 cents off as well on Eclipsa. The base sale, I didn't need to price match. It was the cheapest at Real Canadians, $4.48. These are like the really big tubs. These last forever. Yeah, it expires like next year in February. I don't know if you can freeze these, but I'm sure we'll have gone through them. So they were $4.48 at Real Canadian. I had a $1 off coupon for base sale products. And then I also had a loadable offer on my PC Optimum card, which was 800 points for every $2 spent. So I ended up getting back $4.80 in points after purchasing the three of them. So that ended up making them, let me see here. I think it ended up making it like $1. Oh, here's what it was, $1.88 each. These broths here, original price $2 at Real Canadian, price matched Sobeys, which was 3 for $4.98. And they had an in-store offer for 1,000 points each, so they ended up being 66 cents each rather than $2. I've never actually used these, so hopefully they're good. These were on unexpected clearance, so these retailed $2.99 each, and they were on clearance for 74 cents. So that was a great deal. That was actually the separate transaction because you had to buy this at customer service. Hummus. Originally $2.99 in store, and I had a $1 off coupon, making them $1.99 each. And the Sabre brand actually is really delicious. Ziploc, they were originally four something. I can't remember now. I thought I had written it down, but I guess not. For something. I'll include a photo of the original price. I price matched Walmart for $3.27, and I had a $3 off coupon, making it 27 cents. Cracker Barrel cheese. So these are $3.98 in store at Real Canadian on sale. And then there's an in-store offer where when you spend $15 on Cracker Barrel cheese, you will receive half of that. So you'll receive $7.50 back in points. And then I had a $1 off coupon for each one. So there's 8. So I had $8 in coupons, and then I received $15 back in points. So the cheese, like I said, was on sale for $3.89. And then with the points and with the coupon, they ended up being $1.11 each. Blueberries, I did not need to price match. They were just $3.89, I believe, for an 18 ounce. So that actually ends up being like pretty good in terms of how much they usually are on their own. And then I got 3 cucumbers. They were $1.79 at Real Canadian. I price matched them $1.29, so 50-cent savings each. So that's $1.50 off for purchasing 3. And I had a personal offer for cucumbers, so I ended up getting back 30 cents for purchasing the 3. And then last but not least, this was a Rexall trip. So we have 3 Chico 51 accounts within our household. And so these are on sale at Rexall, 2 for $2. And then Chico 51 is giving back $1 each, so that ends up being free. and you just have to pay tax. So I paid 26 cents tax, 26 cents tax, and then 26 cents tax. So first transaction I did, the original price should have been $77.92. I saved $9.12 in price matching. I saved $20 in coupons. And then I got back 15,000 points for the cheese, 4,800 points for Basil, and then 3,000 points for the broth. So in total, I saved $53.16, and I ended up paying $24.76 rather than $77.92. That's a lot of money. Second transaction, I had $9 in coupons, got back 3,000 points in broth points, 300 points for cucumbers. Let's see, plus the $1 back for cattle, plus the 25 cents back for the eggs. So I ended up paying $15.14. I did save $9.41, just price matching, by the way. So the original total should have been $38.10. I paid $15.14, so I saved $22.96. Third transaction, which was for the bear paws, all in all, I saved $4.50 because I paid $1.48 rather than $5.98. And then the fourth transaction, which was the Vims, should have been $5.32 each times 3. Sorry, each set times 3. So that's $15.96. And I ended up paying 78 cents total for all 6 Vims. So grand total, I paid $42.16 for everything. The price before price matching and everything was $138.74. So I saved $96.58, which is a total of 69.61% savings. So that's about a 70% savings on our groceries, which is pretty fantastic. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.